I'm Dr. Ryan Winslow here with Straight Up Spine and Posture in Gurnee, Illinois. As COVID begins to come to an end here in Illinois, I'm happy to be part of the first wave of providers to be fully vaccinated against the COVID virus. We've been working hard on improving our treatments for you patients through COVID, and I'd like to showcase our facilities and some of the newer therapies that we've been working on. Our treatment here in our facility essentially focuses on four things. First, we want to get our patients pain-free. Second, we want to get our joints of our patients moving properly to increase their range of motion. Third, we try to build some strength into those joints to increase durability. And fourth, we like to focus on posture, which is kind of bringing it all together. One of the newer treatments that we have for pain management is something called Shockwave Therapy. I've absolutely fallen in love with this therapy. It's very effective at specific orthopedic conditions. Commonly in the back, we'll see two things that this is really good at. The first is sacroiliac joint dysfunction, which is one of the most common causes of mechanical low back pain. And the second is facet pain of the back, which is just simply arthritis or pain in the joints of the back. It's also really good at common orthopedic conditions that we'll see in the extremities like plantar fasciitis, rotator cuff pathologies, tennis elbow, things like that, tendon disorders. We have two types. We have the focused unit, which is a high energy technique that's really good at calcific tendinopathies and things like that that need a lot of power or really deep pathologies. The other one that we have is the Storrs radial unit, which is a more general unit with a lot of attachments. We use that for fascial work, things like that. Of course, our treatments here always begin with a nice thorough examination to try and figure out exactly what's causing your pain. To that extent, we do a very thorough exam, but we also have imaging modalities here on premise. We have a digital x-ray unit. I can order an MRI or other diagnostic images if we need that to help. And of course, the perfect transition from pain relief to mobility is the chiropractic adjustment. So we do a variety of spinal adjusting and extremity adjusting techniques. I also like to focus on soft tissue work to get the muscles released that can help with pain and also improving mobility. We've got a few treatments here for specific conditions. We've got disc decompression, which we do for cervical or neck herniations, as well as some other treatments for scoliosis like corrective traction. So we see scoliosis patients as well. Once we get the spine or other joints moving, we like to build strength into those joints. So that increases the durability of the joints and essentially translates to you lifting or moving with less pain. Obviously, this is very important for athletes, but we're big believers that everyone can benefit from strengthening their joints and focusing on their lifting technique for long-term health. Once we've gotten the joints moving, you're out of pain, you've developed some strength, that's where posture comes into play. And posture is simply the ability to hold your joints in their proper position over time. So that's our facility tour. Our patients consist of many different groups, local chiropractors, physical therapists, medical doctors, people like that, and a lot of athletes and everyday people too, of course. A lot of our patients remark that they wish they would have started care at our facility before failing conservative treatment at several other places. We do all of our therapies together under one roof to try to provide a comprehensive treatment for our patients. If you're interested in scheduling an exam to see if I may be able to help, you can do that one of two ways. You could simply give us a call at 224-656-5778 or scheduling online 24/7 on our website, which is simply straightupspineandposture.com. Give a call if you have any questions.